I find the whole concept of being sexy embarrassing and confusing. From the moment I was 6, I felt sexy. And let me tell you, it was hell. Sheer hell, waiting to do something about it. I'm 27. I feel like I get it. I'm okay with being sexy if I feel like it. Some days I'm brainy, some days I'm funny, some days I'm sexy, and sometimes I just want to dance. I read that I'm supposed to be Hollywood's new sex symbol. I think I'm the most unsexy thing that ever was. I'm open for everything, of course, but I'm certainly not aware of being sexy. Being a woman is a terribly difficult task, since it consists principally in dealing with men. Being sexy is just one component. It's not a thing I am. It's a thing I can be. It's a side of myself I can tap into, just like I can tap into my funny side, my quirky side, or my dramatic side. It's not what I am. Women aren't interested in being sexy anymore, and men are. All the guys have objectified themselves and sexualized themselves into being just matinee idols. My idea of sexy is that less is more. The less you reveal, the more people can wonder. Having had a reputation for being sexy is a great prop to lean on now.